Hey guys, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. I'm unboxing these old reference 820Fs. Customer ordered these online, we didn't supply them, but I wanted to open it up just to show you the difference between these and the new Reference Premier series that we're now selling, the Reference Premier 2 specifically. So from viewing the speakers online, it's probably pretty hard to tell the difference, but Klipsch has completely redesigned their speaker lineup, adding bigger magnets, new tweeter design, or improved tweeter design, completely new. And then they also re-engineered the port on the back, so I'm just going to show you visually what that looks like. Looks like it has a couple plastic feet. It's a couple little plastic feet that go on the bottom there. Completely different from the new Reference Premier, which are these nice brushed cast aluminum feet that look very high end. The whole cabinet design is a little bit different from a weight as well as quality standpoint, which is reflected in the cost. They definitely did a good job improving those new Reference Premier speakers. The port's different, the terminals on the back. Let's take a look at the front here. The terminals on the back are pretty much the same. The grille is a lot lighter, less magnets, and then if you look at the tweeter design, they've re-engineered that as well as the travel suspension tweeter. And the new model doesn't have these little screws on the front either, the Reference Premier 2. And then the woofers don't either. So I'll just give you a little close-up of this product so you can check it out and compare it with the other video that we made of the Reference Premier series. If you guys would like to purchase the new models, 2018 Klipsch Reference Premier 2 series, we are a direct dealer with Klipsch and would be happy to ship it to you as well as install it if you're in the Dallas area. Give us a call, shoot us an email. Don't forget to subscribe below. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching.